Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 13th of March. Taurus, let's see what is in your messages today. Taurus, the Hierophant, the Empress. Okay, so let's see what's in your messages. Taurus. We have a death card coming out first. So I'm getting something is ending, something is changing. I'm getting a brand new beginning to a very dramatic ending. Okay. I'm getting a Scorpio. This could be someone's death. We have I'm getting something about a Virgo. I'm getting either you're going to get news of the death of a Virgo. A Virgo is going to tell you news about the death of a Scorpio. Or I'm getting something is ending for a Virgo. Something is completely changing. Get the Chariot. I'm getting the police. You're involved with the police, Virgo. I'm getting something about a murder charge. I'm not sure if the police is the ones who pulled the trigger and killed Virgo. Okay, so Virgo, in this depiction, you have a star in your hand. Also, in this depiction, there's a star on the head of the Chariot. You see? Virgo, I believe you were giving the police information. Are you a spy? You work for police? You were giving them information, Virgo. Me getting a deal went wrong with you and the police. Did the police kill you? Well, you wouldn't be watching this if you're dead, but I'm getting something about the police. I'm getting something about the death of a Scorpio. Or something about whatever murder that happened. I'm getting the Virgo is the one who tipped the police off. Maybe the police killed the wrong person. Or I'm getting the Virgo is the one who gave the police the information about a Scorpio. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Cancer. I'm getting something about a police officer that you're intimate with. I'm getting something about... I'm not sure. I'm getting the Virgo got caught in something. And someone's boyfriend. Or something about the police retaliating. Like, I'm also getting something about over my dead body. I'm getting like over your dead body. Somebody's not going to date a police officer. I'm getting the police kill somebody. Where the Five of Swords, yeah, I'm seeing you getting attacked. I'm getting you're being attacked because of who you're dating, who you're sleeping with. The Chariot could be a Cancer. It could be something interracial. There's a black and a white here. I'm getting something about a Virgo. Maybe somebody does not approve of them son or daughter being in an interracial situation. You're the Eight of Cups. It could not be about an interracial situation. It could be about someone's addictions, maybe addiction to alcohol. Yeah, someone's addicted to alcohol, someone else might smoke. Also getting sex. You don't want somebody to be intimate with someone. We have the Four of Swords. Yeah, you want somebody to stay alone. Justice card, or you want somebody to be a lawyer. I don't know. You want somebody to be with a Libra. Or I'm getting you want to switch the Scorpio out with a Libra now. You want someone to stay alone. You want somebody to be I'm getting something. I don't know if you need a lawyer. Do you need a lawyer? Because I'm getting something about a murder charge being pinned on a Virgo. If it's not a bad deal that Virgo had with the police, or I'm getting something about Virgo, the police, and something about Virgo's son or Virgo's daughter who's dating a police officer. I'm also getting something about you need a lawyer, because I'm getting something about you and a Scorpio. Taurus, you are not here. You didn't even show up. The Empress is not here. The Hierophant is not here. We're getting something that's happening with a Libra, a Scorpio, and a Virgo, Cancer. I'm not sure if someone faked a death certificate. Okay. No, Taurus and Virgo, Taurus, you're not here. So I'm getting this is happening behind your back. We have Scorpio, we have Libra, we have Virgo. We have Curse. It's like you're the scapegoat. Everybody orchestrates something behind Taurus back and then blame it on Taurus. Virgo. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Virgo. I'm getting is either the police, you're in problems with the police, you gave the police false information, something about a Virgo. I'm getting a Virgo, a Scorpio, a Libra, and a Cancer. We have Mars. Yeah, I'm getting like a standoff with the police. We have 5. Yeah, something in your hand. I'm not sure if them think a weapon is in your hand or you have a weapon in your hand and you're threatening them with a weapon in your hand. We have Leo, law enforcement officer. We have Shark. We have the soul was soul, that's Leo. So I'm not sure if something, I don't know. We're getting something is going to be caught on video. We're getting a deal what got wrong with the police. Or something about you and police officers and a Virgo. We're getting the death of somebody. Or the death of a Scorpio. Yeah, CIA. And Taurus is not here. I'm going to leave it here, Taurus. Until next time. Bye.